All right, here goes Jingle Bell Rock for you. We got this little intro riff. Okay, so it's a little hard to reach up here, but this is the 15th on the second string and the 14th on the first. So bum, ba, bum, and then go to the 14s. And then go back to that first one. And then we're going to put a pinky down here in the 17, so you end up with 15 and 17. So here we have 14 and 15 on the third and second. Then we go up 2 frets to the 16 and 17, kind of bend that up and down, and then back to the 14, 15, and then 12s, and 11, 10. So. Okay, then we have a little bass line that goes. Okay, and that's going to come back a lot of times. So we got 2, O, and the G, and then 4, 2, takes us into the first chords of the song. So we're going to have, our basic strum is like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so it's like a triplet, 1 and with the middle one missing. That's like swing feel. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the chords we're using: D major 7 is open with 2s. D6 is open 2, open 2. D sharp diminished is 1, 2, 1, 2. It's kind of a weird one there. So you have to get those fingers on the 1s and bring these fingers in on the 2s. E minor, 2 with opens. A7 is 2, 0, 2, 0. Regular A, 2, 2, 2 open. D7, 0, 2, 1, 2. G, open with 3s. G minor, open with 3 3s. E major, 2, 1, open, open. E7, you could go open 1, open, open. And B7, 1, 2, open 2. So that's all our chords. So we're going to start out, we have the little intro thing, and then we're going to come in with. So we do the dum da dum da, like 2 beats worth for each chord. So we split these measures, 2 beats for each chord. So that was 1, 2. Now I'm going to switch to the major 7. 3, 4. Then D6. Back to D. Back to D6. And then we got that diminished. E minor. A7. We end up doing that a few times. 3 times. And then full measure and full measure. Okay, so that was the first verse. So that was D, D major 7, D6 to D, back to D6, diminished, E minor to A7, 3 times, second time, third time, and then we do 4 beats each. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now we're back to the same verse. Diminished. Now we're going to do this 4 times. So here's the second time, third time, fourth time. Now we're going to go D to D7. That sets up our chorus. Chorus is going to be G, 4 beats, G minor, D, D7. These are all 4 beats worth. Then we go E, E7, and we're going to stop on the A, and then that little bass line. Okay, so the chorus again was G to G minor, D to D7, E to E7, stop on the A. So let's try that chorus. 2, 3, 4. G minor, D, D7, E, E7, stop on the A, bass line. Now we're verse 3, very similar, but here we're gonna go D6, regular D, and then B7. 4 beats, and then G, G minor, now E minor, A7, D to D7. Okay, so verse 3 one more time. 3, 4. D6 to D again, B7, the G, G minor, E minor, A7, D to D7. Verse 4. Just like the early verses, diminished. 4 times E minor to A7, second time, third time, fourth time, D to D7. Chorus, G, G minor, D, D7, E, E7, stop on the A, you got bass line. Now we're to the outro, and then there's a tab with all the chords on it and everything written out, so make sure you take a look at that. So D6 to D again, that always takes us to B7, and then G, G minor, E minor, A7 3 times, and now we're on D for the ending. We're gonna go 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, stop, hit on the 4. So 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 1, a 2, a stop, 4. So we kind of don't hit anything on the 3. So 1, a 2, and on that 4. Okay, now we're gonna get into the vocal melody. So our vocal melody is gonna start on the 3 on the second string here. We're gonna go. So 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, O, 2, O, and 4 on the big string. Okay, so first we had O, 2, O, 4. Then we're going to do that again. 4 to 2, O, 2, O to open G. Okay, so 2, 4, O, 2, O, 2, 2, 4, O, 2. Then we have O, 3, O, 2, O. So that's open on the second to the third string for these other notes. O, 3, O, 2, O. Open again. Open second string, 2, 2, and the big one. So all together we got. Then our next part, we're going to go 2, 4. And then we had that open 3, open 2, open. And then we do the verse again. We'll have a different ending this time. Back to the 2, 4 thing. And then the chorus. So we have 2 lead-in 3s here. And then we go 3, little open, back to 3. O, 3 on the second string. 3, open, 3. 3, 3, 2, O, 2 on the G, big 4. So. And then 2 more 3s to start the next one again. 3, O, 3. O, 3, O, 3. So that one just goes O, 3, O, 3. Then we got 2, 2. Open. 4 of them. 2 here in the second. 4 to 2. So that one's kind of like. And then verse continues. This will have a different ending again. This one goes 4, 2, open, and then we have. So slow open 3, and then little opens, 2 opens and 2 3s there. So that was third string 3s, 3 open, so it's. So that was 3 on the second, 4 over here, 2, 3, 5, back to 3. And then we have a verse again, the second type of ending. We got. Okay, so that was the second ending there. Then we have the chorus again. And then the outro verse, we got. And then we'll have. And then we have this ending. So 3, 4, and then 2, 4, 2. We'll do that twice, and then 2, 3, 5, back to 3. And that's your whole thing. All right, Jingle Bell Rock. Hope you guys dug that. Happy holidays. Got tabs, like I say. Have a good one. See you soon.